I love Obama.
Do you do?
I do.
Yeah.
I do.
And,
Well, go crazy. I know. Go crazy. I know. I like Hillary too. It'll be one or the other.
Right.
I think they should have two kings like the Spartans.
I don't think it's kings.
Well, whatever.
No,
Same
we don't
difference.
have. Do you still vote in Canada?
No, I haven't actually.
Do you ever go
I've
up
never
there?
voted in
Do you have
Canada.
any family left
I
there?
do. I have family there. I'm building a development there on Vancouver Island as well.
Really?
Yes.
You must have tons of cash.
No, I don't. I don't have a lot of cash.
Well, you
but
live
I
in
have a lot of
Malibu.
property.
You have your own leeches. You have.
Well, because of the leeches, I don't have a lot of cash.
Right. Okay.
Yeah, no.
Oh yeah.
Ha, ha, ha.
Oh yeah. Of course.
Yes.
I was going to say, how have you been this week? All right.
Very good.
All right.
Very good.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, what are you? Oh, I see what you're getting at.
No,
It takes
I'm
me a
not. I'm
while.
not.